Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. This is exercise number 1, tip-toe crunches. Cynthia is going to bring her legs straight up and we'll try to touch her toes with her hands. If you are a beginner, it's totally fine if you touch your legs. Okay, next exercise is full reverse crunches. We are going to start with legs straight and arms straight, and then you bring your knees toward your stomach and crunch. Fully extend your arms and legs and crunch. Perfect. Next exercise is frog crunches. Cynthia is going to have a seat. She's going to face sole with sole and get back on her back. From here she's going to bring her hand straight up and crunch. Frog crunches. Remember to don't put any stress in your neck and always keep looking straight up. Next exercise, side crunches. Cynthia is going to lay down on one side of her body. If you're a beginner, you can rest on your elbow and bring only one knee toward your stomach. If you're advanced, you can lay down on one side of your body and bring both knees toward your stomach. Very important, do not have a seat on your hip bone, okay? Make sure that you are seated in your gluteus, using your gluteus. And the last exercise, and once you finish one side, you can move to the other side and do as many repetitions as the workout says. And the last exercise, plank cha-chas. As you can see, Cynthia has her back straight and she dropped her knees toward the mat one at a time. And this is plank cha-cha. Remember, keep your back straight. And if you are a beginner, you can do this exercise with your arm full extended. Okay? Well, thank you for watching this video. Now you're ready to begin your workout.